Ready to make voice calls over WhatsApp API? We'll cover all you need to know about WhatsApp Business Calling API and show you how to get started. But first, here's a quick refresher on WhatsApp API. WhatsApp API is built for businesses managing high volumes of WhatsApp conversations. Unlike the WhatsApp Business app, it requires a conversation management platform. There are costs involved, but using WhatsApp API unlocks the full potential of WhatsApp for businesses. Advanced automation, AI, support for unlimited users, and more. Want to go deeper? Check out our WhatsApp API Explained video. When WhatsApp API first launched, it didn't support calling, so businesses were limited to WhatsApp messages. But now, businesses can also make and receive calls over the same channel. WhatsApp Business Calling API gives you the functionality of VoIP calling, without the limitations or restrictions of traditional VoIP or phones. It's also much easier to implement and use. This is big news for regions where WhatsApp is the go-to communication channel. Just like the WhatsApp Business app, WhatsApp API supports both messaging and calls, but the way it works is quite different, especially when it comes to permissions and rules. So here's the key thing: no cold calls. Unlike WhatsApp Business app, you must request for a user's permission before you can call them. Since calling is more intrusive than messaging, Meta has put strict rules in place to protect users from spam calls. This also means that businesses can build trust with their customers by practicing responsible communication. Here's how the permission system works. You can send one call request every 24 hours and up to 2 per week per user. If you send a template to start the conversation, the user must reply before you can send them a call request. Once the request is sent, the user can approve or decline it. If approved, you can call them right away or anytime within 7 days. If declined, you'll need to wait 24 hours before sending a request again. If the call is missed, you can try calling again within 7 days. No need to resend the request. If a customer keeps missing your calls, get them to call you instead. But make sure you answer your calls, as Meta may penalize businesses with low pickup rates. Fortunately, missed calls outside your business hours won't count against you. Just remember to set your business hours in Meta Business Suite. Now, let's talk about availability. WhatsApp Business Calling API is generally available wherever WhatsApp API is supported, with a few regional exceptions. In some countries, you can only receive calls, while in others, calling is completely restricted. For the latest information, we recommend checking Meta's official website. Also, unlike the WhatsApp Business app, WhatsApp Business Calling API has usage fees. It's important to know that all incoming calls are free, but outgoing calls made through WhatsApp Business API, they cost money. The good news, pricing is easy to understand. Fixed rates per minute, built in 6-second increments. Rates depend on the recipient's country code. Like with WhatsApp API messages, you get rate discounts for making more calls. Do note that these are just WhatsApp's fees. Your conversation management platform may charge additional fees, and not every platform supports WhatsApp Business Calling API yet. So make sure yours does before you subscribe to a plan. Respond.io supports WhatsApp Business Calling API and makes it incredibly easy to get started. All it takes is a few clicks. Log in to Respond.io, head to Channel Settings, select your WhatsApp API channel, turn on the toggle for WhatsApp Business Calling API. You can also enable or disable incoming calls. You'll still be able to place outbound calls even if incoming is off. It's that simple. Need a platform for WhatsApp Business Calling API and more? We've got you covered. As a Meta Business partner, Respond.io supports WhatsApp API and WhatsApp Business Calling API, letting you switch between WhatsApp chats and calls seamlessly. You can also connect other popular channels like TikTok, Instagram, Messenger, and even traditional VoIP. All on the same platform, no jumping between tools or losing contacts. Gain powerful AI and automation tools, CRM integrations, and support for unlimited users, along with the reliability and security to manage high conversation volumes. Need we say more? Visit our website to sign up for a free trial. Have a question? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more updates. And as always, keep the conversation going on Respond.io.